Hello. So this is a fairly new resource, or one I just learned about maybe in the past few months. So if you're looking to learn about AWS and prep for different kind of specialties, this is a really great tool. This is called Aws Ramp-Up Guides. It's completely for free, and it gives you specific guides, because if you know anything about AWS, it's like really broad. It's a lot. But you can browse by role, browse by solution, browse by industry. And what it does, it gives you, if you want to be an architect, cloud essentials, decision maker, developer, because the world of tech is not just coding and development. There's also project leaders, there's project managers, there's just a wide variety of people. There's cost management, there's financial management, there's data analysis, there's databases, there's gaming. But this is going to go ahead and show one that a student just asked me about. So it's data analytics. And what this does, it takes you to a PDF, and it gives you a very tailored, structured lessons to learn and to practice and to kind of go through. And there is a police car. But anyway, so this is the ramp-up guide of the cloud practitioner. So that what that does, it gives you the basic fundamentals, and that should probably be your first step if you haven't completed that step to learning about AWS. And that is a ramp-up guide on its own, because it's, again, very structured. But if you already have that, and if you already experienced with the cloud, well, you can start right here, and it takes you to step 1, learn AWS Data Analytics Service Fundamentals. It talks about AWS data lakes and analytics. It gives you an approximate time. And this one will actually take you to a web page. And it gives you just basically basic resources about analytics on AWS. And let's go back. And then what you can do is there's digital training, and this is where things get really good. So there's digital training, and this is most likely, and it is going to be on a platform called Skill Builder, which is AWS's platform to, learn and teach about the cloud. So all you need to access AWS Skill Builder is an Amazon.com account. So basically, if you've ever bought anything on Amazon, you have an account to get into this. So you would log in, and then you're going to click Enroll, and then you just start learning. This one says it's about 11 minutes. Start learning now. Now, the only thing I would caution when it says 11 minutes, 15 minutes, is plan to spend at least probably double to that if you're actually willing to learn, to study to learn, and prep for the exam or whatever your career path is. So if you have any questions about AWS, let me know.